how to check your location history with Google Timeline. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically see your travel history using Google Timeline. So firstly, just open up Maps on your phone, and then after that just simply take a look at the dashboard. Now also make sure that your Maps is of the latest version, and then click on the top left on your profile picture, then click on your timeline. Now you guys are going to be able to see where you guys went the past day, the past few weeks, and also the past few months. You can just simply click on today, and then after that you guys can just simply choose any date that you want, and you are going to be able to see exactly where you were for that particular day. So guys, that is how you guys can basically see where you went and where you stayed and everything like that. So your timeline tells you exactly everything that you guys need to know about your movement in history. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually see your whole timeline of your location history. And that is how easy it is for you guys to just simply take a look at all of this stuff. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.